Alright, so we're going to do the same exact thing as we did above. And I'm going to rewrite this. For the first time you're going to see division. So let's make our division symbol. This goes on the outside, and this goes on the inside. Now, the very first thing we did here is we did this division problem, right? How many times 25 goes into 26? Well, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to see how many times x goes into 4x squared. So 4x squared is 4 times x over x, and if you simplify that, you'll get what, class? 4x. Now, I'm going to place the 4x here. The reason why I place the 4x here is because this whole column all the way down will always have the x's there. Next thing you're going to do is the same thing you did up here, is you're going to multiply. Class, what's 4x times x? 4x squared. And 4x times 3? 7. We're multiplying, so you'll get 12x. Okay? So do the division, you're going to multiply, now we're going to subtract. Now as I subtract here, I'm just going to look at the coefficients. Class, what's 4 minus 4?
0.
Do I have to write 0x squared here?
No.
No. That's what most students would say word cancel, so I'm not going to write there. Now I'm going to do 6 minus 12. What is that, class?
-6.
-6. And then I'm going to bring down this part here, and then just repeat. Class, how many times does x go into -6x?
1.
You just simplify that, right? You cross off your x's and you're left with -6. And then now we're going to multiply. Class, -6 times x?
-6x.
-6 times 3? And now we're going to do the next thing is we're going to subtract. -6 minus a -6. Remember, that's just the opposite of -6, so this all becomes +6. +6 and a -6 are 0, so that's canceled. -8 minus -18, you get 10. Now, normally we just talked about in the previous problem that your remainder 10 is your numerator. So this 10 here is positive, so I'm going to write plus 10 in the numerator, and in the denominator I'm going to go ahead and write x plus 3. And I'm going to box that, that's going to be my answer. So again, when you get stuck on long division, go back to a problem that you remember how to do.